Bust down Rolly Avalanche, yeah, my old bitch average.
Yo. We're trying out the new chicken Big Mac meal. Let's get it. So if y'all saw my Instagram story, I did put a poll up here. If y'all can see right here, I said watch piece by piece or eat the chicken Big Mac meal. Y'all picked the chicken Big Mac meal. But yo, let's try out the meal. And you know what's sad though? You know what's sad? I ate all of my fries while trying to get to here because it took so long. It took me so long just to drive to McDonald's. I was waiting for my thing. They gave me the fries, but the chicken Big Mac, here. Chicken Big Mac. Y'all can see it right over there. Let me open it. Let me show y'all. See that? Man, that look good. Oh yeah, and I also got me a Sprite too. If y'all checked in the beginning of the video, I did got myself a Sprite. Damn, bro, this look big. All right, let's try it. One bite, let's get it. There's still stuff on my lip. All right, let's try a second bite. Let's do this. Bro, I gotta be real with y'all. This tastes great. This really tastes great, man. Really tastes great. With the Big Mac sauce, the crunchiness on the chicken, well, juicy and crunchiness on the chicken, the cheese, the pickles, bro, it is perfect on there. So overall rating to the chicken Big Mac, it was delicious. I really love it a lot. But yo, I really want to get my fries back. Why do I have to eat the whole fries up? It'll be going great with my Sprite and the chicken Big Mac. But now I had to eat it all up while driving. But yo, overall rating though, I give the chicken Big Mac a, drum roll please, 8.1 out of 10. An 8.1 out of 10. It's perfect. It's a perfect chicken sandwich. I do recommend eating it, but y'all on a diet, then I do not recommend eating this. But if y'all want to eat this, I recommend y'all eating this, all right? But yo, my name is Xavier. Hope you press that like button. Subscribe for more videos because I might be posting more on Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And I'll see y'all guys next time. Love y'all.